Hey, Lighthouse for Life family. You may or may not have heard of the proverb, the African proverb that says, "Give thanks for the little and you will find a lot." Well, last week we had the privilege of getting to see that proverb in action when we came alongside a new survivor in her early 40s who explained over every little thing that she pulled out of the freedom bag that we gave her. Who knew that shampoo and conditioner and a change of clothes could be such a game changer for one individual? We also saw it as she clung tight to a stuffed animal that she had asked for as an item of comfort during a very traumatizing time in her journey. And then we heard it in her voice as she expressed such a deep gratitude to us for just listening to her, for just being a trauma-informed ear to give her hope and courage to actually take this step and make a change in her journey. Gratitude and thanksgiving are a core value of Lighthouse for Life, and it's not something that we want to take lightly. Every single day, we start our day as a team, first and foremost, thanking the Lord for being a part of this journey with us, but then also helping to keep ourselves in perspective as we face the overwhelming darkness of this world by having an attitude of gratitude. We celebrate every milestone that our survivor crosses. We celebrate every conversation that we get to have during the day. We celebrate when something is crossed off the to-do list, or sometimes when we don't even make it to that to-do list because other priorities come to the table. And we celebrate the investment of people like you in this ministry. We deeply appreciate all of the sacrifices people make of their time, of their financial contribution, and of their prayers so that we continue to come alongside women like we met last week and give them hope into their journey. For the next little bit, we'd like you to join each of our team members as we express some of those things that we're grateful for.
Hey, I'm Paul, Operations Director, and I am so thankful to the Lord for the many, many folks in our community who come together to help us renovate this property at the harbor.
I'm Heather, Survivor Support Director.
And I'm Whitney, Survivor Support Assistant Director.
And I'm Shelley, Property and Screening Manager here at the harbor.
And we are thankful to pave the way of hope for victims to become survivors into thrivers right here at our drop-in center, the harbor.
Hi, I'm Jeff, the Director of Finance. I am very thankful for the continued support of our financial partners. Without y'all, we could not make this happen.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the Education and Volunteer Coordinator. This year, I'm super grateful that we got to translate our Sex Trafficking 101 presentation into Spanish so that we can educate our Spanish community about what sex trafficking is and how to best support survivors.
Hi, I'm Brian. I'm the CARES Home Director. I'm very thankful for the opportunity that I get to work with this wonderful team, for our commitment to follow the Lord in everything, for all the people who are helping to get CARES Home.
Hi, I'm Lindsay, PR and Development Director, and I'm thankful for you. We truly couldn't do anything that we do here without the faithful support of our community.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving!
So from all of us here at Lighthouse for Life to each and every one of you, please join us this season as we truly do celebrate an attitude of gratitude and have a very happy Thanksgiving.